Hey everybody. I wanted to get the Bazzite machine ready to play Cyberpunk and Halo and Stray like the Fedora Mini PC that we just played them on was. And I realized I've only got 30 gigabytes free in my drive space to make all three of those fit. And I think it turns out that Cyberpunk's like 80 gigabytes, and once I download all the versions of the Halo games, I think that comes out to about 80 gigabytes too, and then I think Stray's gonna still fit. But before I can do that, the first thing that I need to do is move some of these other games off to the terabyte sized regular hard drive that I have, because this one, I don't like playing games on it because it's not a solid state disk, so it takes a lot longer to read and find the data that it wants on the hard drive, the regular disk-based hard drive, and then it's also got a lower bandwidth or throughput over. So for those two reasons, I like to play all my games on the SSD drives nowadays. But I bought this machine back whenever that those SSDs were still super expensive, and it made more sense to make the dual drives to get both the capacity and the speed for people that needed both. So, having said all that, I was just going to step through here and find the games to move, and I think I'm gonna not planning on playing Baldur's Gate on here for a while. I think I'm just gonna move all of them for now, and that should free up, looks like 18, should free up close to 180 gigs, and I think that'll be enough space for everything to work. So I'm just going to click on move there, move contents of the big drive, yep, and it's going to do that. I just wanted to show what that process was in case anybody had ever not done it. Um, Looks like it's spinning up to do it, and we don't have to stay on the call, or not the call, but the video to see it happen. I hope anyway. I kind of want to at least see that the progress, okay, the progress bar has started to move. Faith that the process will finish eventually. And once it does, I'll start downloading Stray and Halo and Cyberpunk. We'll see how those games play on the Bayside laptop here in a little bit. Yeah, hope y'all are having a good week so far, and I will talk to you later on.